And yeah, with everyone's God's blessing and my parents' blessings, I'm starting this one. And today, like, I'm one of the director only. Like, my name is Kalai Sathapan. And one more director is called Ganesh Mahadevan. He couldn't make it due to the pandemic reason. He wasn't there. And it's just like 1 week schedule is happening here. Because they cannot travel it over there. So that's why we are shifting the schedule to the UK. In the UK, 1 month, the rest of all the full film will go there. So he's not here, and I'm missing you so much actually, because I always used to call him as a producer Garu. He said one day, like, I will make you as a director, and he had done it. Thank you so much, producer Garu. I miss you so much here. And then I want to thank Bhavna ji. I don't know what to say. He is the behind the man, like for everything, all the things. If you go and tell 10 problems to him, he will come up with 11 solutions. I never ever seen a guy like this, such an amazing mentor, like, for everyone. So I want to thank him as well, and all the artists here. Amazing artist. I never ever see. Actually, I'm so blessed to got this much of a very intelligent and very creative and very humble and so nice. Because I was like wondering. I don't know like whether I can manage it here or not. But I'm doing very well because of everyone is cooperating very well. If I ask, Manoj is how senior he is. If I ask one more or cut, and he never ever tell anything. Whatever, very happily, and he's very pleasant and very in the mood. It's because of the experience and all. He's so good, and this is the way I'm talking. Like I'm usually like I talk very fast. I hope you can like get it, the thing, And the Rohit, yeah, we are watching Rohit. If you want to talk about Rohit, in the midtime, 3 o'clock, if you wake him, Rohit, scene number 43. Tell the third dialogue. Then he say, good, like that kind of things, That kind of he memorizes the full thing. Yeah. So he's very ready. Whenever we are going to shoot, he's ready. And actually, like she's playing as an art therapist. Our heroine is playing as an art therapist. Art therapist is such a new thing that, therapy is through the art. The character wise, not only like that, she herself is an artist. After we went to the home, they come to know, oh my god, ma'am, all the ladies said, the Daisy is all painting so amazing, so you don't want to worry about that. How she can hold the paint brush and everything, she's very thoroughly, she had done it. So that's so nice.
They don't know that I paint.
Oh, you said that's her. Oh my god, nothing, then you made me, See? She didn't do that one, Right, so I'm so happy. And Kashuji also is playing one of the role.
Oh, no.
Oh, that is so secret. Sorry.
Secret.
Oh my god. Actually, for every casting, we have found it very quickly. But doing a part for her, it's very tough, because she's doing amazingly. You will see it actually. Like competing her, it's very, very tough. And we have taken 4 to 5 people, filter, and finally we have found one. And Myra character. So Myra's a cheeky bubbly, like how she is now. She is the model. She's an amazing model. Whenever the Zoom call, we all meet. She's only like this now, like this. Oh, she's like a stunning girl. She always is. So like that. And today we have started a scene with Manoji. Because of the confidence, we can finish it very quickly, and we have done it. Thank you so much, Manoji. Then, and I think I have covered everything on inside. Did I miss anything? So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. And Ganeshji, I think you are seeing it, right? I'm here. Can you see me? I'm seeing you. Ganesh, I miss you so much. Thank you so much. He's also one of the director. So I can, see. He looks very young, but I don't know why you didn't put the dye and all that. Then at the time of shooting, the next is the success rate, right? And we are missing Arjun here. I want to talk about him then. He's such a senior artist here. Whenever I got his number, I know, whenever we are messaging him, we are getting very late reply. That's very usual, and we want to be getting to mind. But whenever I do the message, he will quickly respond like that. Such an amazing person. I cannot. So that's why I'm actually I'm running my own animation and production company in UK, and I'm a business person. So of course, I'm from the creative side as well then. So time kills sales. So we never ever delay for anything. He did that one. So thank you so much, Arjunji. We also missing you here then. And finally, I want to talk about Amisha ji and finish it off then. Amisha ji, I think she's not here. She's also, I get the script and she's coming up with prepared everything and coming up with the typo. This typos happen. Oh my god, he's gone through everything. So that kind of the preparation, she also have done it. Hopefully I have covered everyone. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much guys. For the thanks, I'm going to say not through the words, but action. Always, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So for the action is the hard work and the reaction is the output. You guys going to see that one soon. Thank you so much.